Hi! Thank you for checking out my listing. Please feel free to reach out to me at 317-445-5796 if you have any further questions or would like to schedule a showing. I look forward to hearing from you. Coming home to no outdoor maintenance sounds like a dream come true. Second story 2-bedroom/2-bath condo on Prestwick Golf Course allows you to enjoy the amazing views and not have a single worry about the upkeep. When you enter the home, you will love having your own private stairs constructed of hardwood that give a fabulous first impression. The condo features an enormous living room with a cozy wood-burning fireplace and let's not forget the private balcony with an amazing view of nature and the golf course. The kitchen has plenty of space for a dining table and has a pantry for added storage. Spacious master bedroom has lots of natural light and vaulted ceilings to add to the charm. Master bedroom has a walk-in closet with ample shelving and storage space.